It's absolutely incredible. I'm having the time of my life. I hope everybody else is doing excellent, having a great start to July. I just wanted to hop on here briefly because it's been a while and want to talk about something I'm really excited about. So if you're looking to get ahead in life and save money, then you need to stay tuned. As you guys may or may not know, I am also an accountant. I've been doing accounting and bookkeeping for about 20 years now. And so I actually really love helping people to save money and get ahead. So, the thing is, you're either investing in yourself and your own dreams and your own goals or somebody else's, right? So if you're somebody who's maybe looking to add a side hustle to your life, or maybe you already have one, maybe you're fully self-employed, either way, this is going to be really, really exciting. And it's happening this coming Tuesday evening, 5:30 p.m. PST via Zoom, 100% free, no strings attached. I'm really excited about this. I've got all the information prepared already. Really excited about this. I've actually never done anything like this in my whole life. So it's going to be transformational. I'm going to be sharing how I write off so many things, from my hair to my nails to my supplements, my vitamins, my skincare. So my skin look amazing. Also, I write off my gym fees. I write off my coaching and training fees that I pay for my own coach and trainer. So many things. A percentage of your car, if you have one, business use of home office. There's about 14 different categories of things that you can write off. And I'm going to be teaching you guys all about how you can write things off without pissing off the government, to save money on your taxes and maybe even get a refund. So if this sounds intriguing, please do let me know, and I can send you the Zoom link so you can join us live. And if you're not able to join live Tuesday evening, I can also email you the replay. So let me know. Hope to see you there. Love meeting new people and making new friends. Sending good energy your guys' way always. Peace. Strong is sexy.